Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to amazing country living at 36 State Route 88 South in Newark.
This is nature at its best, with nearly 4 acres on a private drive. So let's take a tour. This is country living at its best, with an open living area with scenic views, leading to an eat-in kitchen. The first floor also features 2 beautiful bedrooms with an updated bathroom and a cathedral ceiling sunroom. While the lower level includes an additional bedroom, full bathroom, and a family room with a bar, leading to a gazebo with a hot tub.
Situated at the end of a private drive, this home has beautiful landscaping with a park-like setting. This expansive property has nearly 4 acres, with a sizable outbuilding and room for potential development. Newark provides an easy commute, located in the crossroads between Rochester and Syracuse.
Here we are in the village of Newark.
Newark has great restaurants and shops, located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 36 State Route 88 South in Newark.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!